As we relive these moments of 2023 Christmas party, let the twinkling lights, laughter, and camaraderie of that enchanting night fill your hearts. Our Christmas party was more than just an event, it was a celebration of the unity and spirit that define our Hiroshi Wellness family.
Ako nga pala si Steven Villanueva, 23.
Okay, good evening, Hiroshi Wellness! So, my name is Jason Barone.
Number 4! Yan po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
My name is Rohaina.
Ano daw? Rohaina.
From Hello, good evening sa inyong lahat. By the way, my name is Rose Angelica.
Maraming salamat. Sa ating sounds and lights, maraming salamat. Sa ating napakagaling na host, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas sa inyo. As I am going to end my closing remarks, isa lang masasabi ko, okay? Gusto ko nag-enjoy kayo at mag-enjoy pa kayo dito sa Hiroshi Wellness.
Yeah!